Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at 17 success stories from The Biggest Loser. At the end of the video, I'm also going to share a great weight loss supplement called Thynergy, which can help you attain your weight loss goals. These photos come to us from CNN.com. These people combine diet and exercise to jettison hundreds of pounds. Notice how good some of these incredible success stories look. And kudos to each of them. Please comment below, is anyone else looking to get in shape for the new year? Are you interested in making a change for the better? Also, please click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from us, and click the notification bell. For a moment, I'd like to give out my personal backing to Thynergy. If you're looking to get in shape, Thynergy should be a part of your diet and exercise routine. See you next time. Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thynergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.